Hello and welcome to a quick run through of the vbmp select application. It lets you specify an area of interest and get pricing and product information about new acquisitions under the Virginia Base Map program here in Virginia. You start off at the select.sanborn.com site where you're allowed to either specify new areas for collection through the vbmp select application or download and use existing archive data from the Virginia Base Map Online, vbmp Online application. You can also find program information about product pricing and information. You can reset your password and download other kinds of information about the flight lines, shapefiles, and relevant information along with contacts here on the start page. To get started, you click the vbmp select button. It takes you to the application. You've got a little splash screen that tells you to start. You just use one of the area of interest tools here, either the place mark tool, the draw polygon, or the upload shapefile button, and specify your AOI. Again, people to talk to if you need some answers, and close out that screen. If you don't have a account, you can request one here from Sanborn through the screen on the register button here. If you've got an account, you log in and log into your account and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump to an address that we know in our jurisdiction here. We're going to jump down to Richmond, Virginia. You can also jump to a predefined jurisdiction from the drop-down list. Our geocoder took us to Richmond, and we're going to use the draw tool here to select an area around Greater Richmond. You double-click to exit. You can draw any kind of shape you want, very complex polygons. You get an alert message that says it's drawing the tiles, it's computing the coverage over that area. And then you're presented with a choice of products from the select data list. You can order multiple years, different orders, and you can get information about the products by clicking on the blue info button. In this case, we're going to order some 6-inch ortho imagery of the Greater Richmond area and add that to our list with the Add to List button. That gets put down in the item list here. So it's 133 tiles of data, and you've got a cost of $8,000 with a state of Virginia contribution here calculated for you and a final cost out the backside. You can remove this product if you need to get rid of it, or recalculate if you want to change the number of tiles. By clicking the AOI button, you will get the actual tile coverage over your area, so you can see what actual tiles you're selecting here and receiving in your order. We can add another project by uploading a shapefile here, clicking the shapefile upload button, and you're able to choose a file from your hard drive, whether a shape or KML, along with the other associated files in the upload, and it will upload the data that you selected. We can also select the placemark tool, which will select an entire jurisdiction for that area and go from there. So another thing we can do is select different products for the area that we've selected. We've got basically the imagery products up here in the orthos. You can add elevation, LiDAR, and let's say some true ortho data where the building lean is taken out, or some planimetrics here. Add those to the list. We can add another area of interest over downtown Richmond here of high resolution data. Double click to exit. Again, it's going to compute the tiles here, so it'll take you to the extents of your order, and we'll go up and order 3-inch imagery over downtown. Add that to the list. Your final price for nested orthos will be calculated at the order submittal, so we'll submit this order. It takes the information from your user registration, and you can give it a unique name. So this is a test of the vbmp, and copy other people who will get be CC'd on the email of the product, which basically allows you to package up both the drawn shapes that you've inputted, the default shapes if you selected an entire county or jurisdiction, or the uploaded shapes that you've uploaded, which all get packaged up and sent to both you and the program administrators in order to keep everybody on the same page, know which area is being ordered, see the tile grid, and facilitate an effective order here. So it's calculating the tiles required to produce this order, and once it's done, again, you'll see a PDF file of the order with the attention of the VGen representatives here, with the intent to purchase, with the actual costs of the imagery and LiDAR and other data that you've ordered, product details including accuracy, statements, delivery formats, and more, and then a actual image of the area that you've ordered. Again, you can see we've cut out that 3-inch imagery, so you can see where your 6-inch imagery is there. For the LiDAR data again, and then for the 3-inch imagery area, you can see what tiles have been selected there. So that's a quick tour of how to use the tool. For more information, look at the other videos, and give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks very much.